just an outstanding experience, both for him and for our entire family. The atmosphere created at the school by Master Duethorn and everyone at Quest Martial Arts has brought our entire family closer together. Traveling to tournaments, participation in events such as the Halloween party, the annual awards dinner, cheering on demo teams, and of course quality family time spent driving in the car back and forth to Woodstock, really has brought us together, closer together. We can't thank you all enough for helping us raise a wonderful, smart, funny, caring, and disciplined young man who's a terrific role model for his little sister and others as well. He's grown so much over these past 4 years, and karate obviously has been an enormous part of it. It's changed Scott's life in so many ways. From a little boy in an all-white uniform that was just a little bit too big, to a responsible young man with the skills, attitude, and confidence to succeed in the world. His karate journey began about 4 years ago when he was probably about this much more, about half a daddy. And since then he's been transformed physically, mentally, and spiritually to having ability, strength, and confidence in himself to do anything. Quest has provided him with both the skills necessary to defend himself and the wisdom to know how and when to utilize them. It's developed his ability to focus on a problem or task and work through it until completion, commitment to doing something larger than oneself, and the realization of the work required are all things that will transfer to anything that he has to do throughout his life, whether at work or at home. Countless hours of practice and doing things over and over until they are right are qualities that will help him succeed at anything he does. Scott has changed from a timid young child to a young man brimming with confidence and sure of himself and his abilities. I remember a wonderful family trip to Virginia Beach for the national tournament. We had decided to drive down and stay at a campground nearby with the extended family, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. So this added a little bit of pressure from all the other things that tournaments bring. But Scott rose to the occasion, winning 2 medals in forms and weapons, but it was the sparring competition that really made an impact. He was successful in defeating several opponents and made it to the championship match in his division. At the time, he was about a foot shorter and 30 pounds lighter than what you see today, but his opponent was not. Tall, strong, and athletic. I remember his grandmother whispering to me, "Is he going to be okay?" The tale of the tape had Scott shorter, smaller, weaker, and with less reach than his opponent. But it was the spirit of the warrior that could not be measured that day. Using deft skill and turning his opponent's strength into weaknesses, he used his opponent's over-aggressiveness into his downfall, allowing him to charge forward before ducking and sneaking around to the side to deliver a single punch and score the point. After 3 successive points using the same moves, his opponent became enraged and began wildly throwing punches. He was penalized first, and then after being unable to regain his composure, was disqualified. David had slain Goliath. Scott had won a gold medal in sparring with the whole family watching. Seeing him beaming on that platform and the confidence he gained in himself and his abilities is something we will never forget. I know this is something Scott will remember for the rest of his life and refer back to when problems seem too large to overcome. Congratulations, Scott, on the completion of a great journey. Your mother and I and the whole family hope that many more roads will open up for you, and we are confident that you'll be ready for them. We love you and are so proud of you. We wish you all the best, both in karate and with everything that lies ahead.